Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan dango. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. We will start with putting soaked sunflower seeds into the blender. They should soak for at least 7-8 hours to get rid of the phytic acid. Now we put it in a bowl and we can start blending nuts. I will use almonds. They should also soak for at least 8-9 hours. We add nuts to the bowl and mix. We have to split the mass into 3 parts. One part we put again into a blender and add some coconut oil. It would be best if we melt it before. We also add some coconut flour or shredded coconut, so the mass won't be too thin. And a banana. We mix everything together. The mass we put in the bowl and we will prepare the second part of the mass. We add to the blender also a part of the apple, some coconut oil, and some shredded coconut or coconut flour. If we want the mass to be sweeter, we can add some soaked dates. We put the mass back into the bowl and to gain green color we add some powdered spirulina. We can mix everything together by spoon. Now it's time for the last part of the mass. To the blender we add some fruits, like blueberries. We mix it and put back into the bowl. To gain more intensive color, we can add some powdered beetroot. Now we have 3 different colors of the mass. In case any of them would be too thin, we can add some flour or for some minutes put in the fridge. We make small balls from the mass and then put them on skewer sticks. And it's ready! Keep dango in the fridge. Bon appétit!